I really cannot be bothered today. This whole week has been a bit blah, but I'm here. I'm doing it. Good morning guys, and welcome to week 3 or week 4. I think we're on week 4 actually of my mini cut, but it is Monday, which means I am making my meal prep for the week. So I wanted to show you guys what I'm making. At the moment I've got some pasta cooking up and also some chicken breast. This is the pasta I'm using this week. It just has a little bit more fiber and more protein than your typical pasta. So I've just measured out 60 grams of this. I feel like pasta gets such a bad rap, like people shouldn't eat it kind of thing, but I love pasta. I think it's just making sure you have a smaller portion of it. Pasta is so easy to overeat because it is delicious, but that's why I always measure it out, because if I was to eyeball it, I would be eating a giant bowl. So yeah, and I'm just cooking up some veggies as well, and I'm about to make the sauce. So today I'm going to make a pesto sauce myself. This recipe is actually in my ebook, but I will tell you guys what's in it. So you're going to need 2 cups of basil, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 cup of pine nuts or cashews, 1/4 cup of parmesan or nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 2 tablespoons of water to mix. So I'm going to use my trusty little blender today, and I'm going to blitz it all up, and yeah, voila. Okay guys, it is now Wednesday afternoon. I have not vlogged anything since Monday morning when I was making my meal prep, and in all honesty I just haven't been feeling it this week. I don't know whether TMI, it is that time of the month, so I've just been so emotional, and I think coming up to the end of the year there's just so much on. Like, all the companies that I work with are doing their Black Friday sales. My clients are changing their schedules all the time because obviously they've got other commitments as well, and it's just like honestly crazy. So this week just has not been the best week for vlogging. I have still eaten like all of my usual foods. I made the pesto pasta in the last clip, so I've been having that for my lunches every day, and then for dinners we've just been having that tikka masala meal that I made last week in the vlog because we really enjoyed it, so we made it again this week. As for workouts, I've only done one this week so far, which was yesterday, and I didn't do one on Monday, and I don't plan on doing one today, and it's already like 7 p.m. so workouts have not been that great, but honestly I've just been so crazy busy. So I thought I would just jump on and say I'm sorry that I haven't filmed anything. I mean, you guys wouldn't even know when you're watching this, but anyway. So I'm going to make it my mission to try and get a lot of clips tomorrow, hopefully, to try and somewhat make a video out of this, because at the moment it's really not that useful to you guys, is it? Are any of you else feeling this way kind of at the end of the year, just like overwhelmed with social events and like work commitments and things like that? Please let me know down below if you're feeling the same way. I don't really like to be a negative Nancy on my channel or just in general, but that's just how I've been feeling. My emotions are just crazy to say the least. But anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. I promise I will film some more clips tomorrow so that this vlog is worth watching, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm feeling so much better than yesterday, so I thought I would pick up my camera and show you guys what I'm eating, and also hopefully I can show you my workout later today when I go to the gym. But I've created a really good recipe. It's not exactly a recipe, it's just like a combination that I'm sure many people have thought of before, but I had it yesterday and it was amazing. So I'm about to make it again as my little like pre-workout snack. So I've got a packet of these mini rice cakes that are coated in milk chocolate, which by the way, are amazing in general. But to make it more of like a pre-workout snack, I'm going to add a little teaspoon of peanut butter. Also check out this humongous jar of peanut butter. Like, are you joking? One of my friends sent it to me because she knows how much I love peanut butter, and also it's a New Zealand peanut butter, so yeah, the best. And then I'm gonna top it with a banana. So I'm gonna like cut it into 4 little pieces and put them on top, and it's just the best combo, like banana, peanut butter and chocolate. You really cannot go wrong. So I'm gonna have this as my little pre-workout snack. I'm struggling. Also, this morning I got an exciting package from a company called Hugo's, and they sent me a bunch of dark chocolate covered almonds, which, if you guys don't know, these are my weakness. Chocolate covered almonds have always been one of my favorite things ever. So they've got like an acai one, just like a normal dark chocolate. I don't know the difference between these two, but anyway. Then there's a matcha one and some dark chocolate coated blueberries. So safe to say I'm going to devour these. But anyway, I'm gonna get to making my little combo. Actually probably the worst camera angle ever, but I just rocked up to the gym and I'm gonna do legs today. I tried to film a clip yesterday of upper body and it failed, so I'm sorry I haven't really filmed many of my workouts this week. I've only done 2, but yeah, the gyms have been absolutely packed and I'm an awkward turtle, so yeah, vlog in my car. I've got my pre-workout, so I'm gonna shot this. Oops, the lid was open. But I've been loving being back at the gym. Like, I have so many more like strength goals now, and especially since hurting my back like during COVID, I'm really excited just to like get stronger and heal my back. But yeah, I need to go in there. I really cannot be bothered today. This whole week has been a bit blah, but I'm here, I'm doing it. So that is my reminder to you guys. If you're watching this and you haven't done your workout today, make sure to go fit it in. Cheers. The gym now. Holy crap, I am a sweaty mess. All up it was exactly 45 minutes, 360 calories if you guys care. I see Connor Cat talk about that in her vlogs and I don't know, I feel like I'm her now. But I'm going to drive home and I'm going to make myself a protein smoothie for lunch. It is Friday, so I have no food left in my house. So let's put some jams on and drive home. Okay, so it's a little bit later now. I've had my smoothie and I'm just about to head out and train clients, and then we're going back home to see my family for the weekend. But I wanted to quickly show you a few snacks that I pack when I go away so that I can still kind of stick with my goals and choose better options. So one of the main things I take is popcorn. I love popcorn. It's so low cal and it tastes really good as well. Cobb's is my favorite brand, and I think they have like 6 different flavors now, so really good. This one's probably my favorite, or just like plain sea salt. And the other main things I love are the Fiber One bars. So I have the carrot cake bar, and these are 90 calories per one, and also the milk chocolate popcorn bar. I'm obsessed with all of these flavors as well, like the chocolate brownie and the salted caramel are also top contenders, but these are the only ones I had in my cupboard. So I've got like a whole heap of these in my bag, so I don't go for like the naughty stuff when I'm at my mum's house, because our cupboard is full of lollies and chocolate and chips. So I needed to bring healthier options so that I didn't have all that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, we have crackers for Andy. I've got some red licorice because I'm obsessed with licorice, and also this isn't too bad of calories. Like I think 3 big pieces is like 85 calories, so that's kind of my sweet, and then those are my savory options. And then last night I showed you guys my alcoholic beverages of choice, because usually when I go back home we do like to drink a little bit. So yeah, but I thought I would end out the vlog now because I'm not going to vlog back home. So if you guys did enjoy the vlog, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Stay tuned for week 5. I promise you it'll be better. I just wasn't in the best mood this week. But yeah, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys then. Bye.